us love doing tablescapes because it shows creativity in ways others may not have thought about, or maybe they didn't want to go all out like that. When guests show up at my home, they are sure to experience the beauty of not only how the table looks, but the love of the one who wanted to make things special. In addition, you want it to be memorable. And let's talk about affordability. Check out my affordability quote at the end. I start my tablescapes long before I put it together. I think about the colors, china, chargers, glassware, coasters, napkin rings, placemats, centerpieces, place card, flatware, linens, and more. I envision in my mind, then on paper, and finally on the table. First, the table must be clean, and the decision to put the linens on the space. So this time I decided to put a white tablecloth on top of the black table to make the silver chargers pop. These are from Dollar Tree a few years back. And the china was a Z Gallery gift from a family member. So it is beautiful with silver zigzag pattern and a white background. It pops against the silver charger. Since the middle of the plate is white, a white salad plate makes it uniform and completes the chic look. The place card is in the form of a metal envelope. Now, originally they were pink, but I sprayed them matte black and put a rose and some baby's breath inside. Then I had a red plastic lip that was hot glued to the top. And I placed them on top of the salad plate, but I didn't like it there. So therefore, I placed it in a card holder and put it in front of the place setting, and it is sealed with a kiss. Now on to the napkin rings and napkins. I made the napkin ring by punching out 2 different size flowers out of an aluminum foil cookie sheet and put a red plastic heart in the middle. Then I placed it on a Dollar Tree napkin ring. Check out my napkin ring reel. I put the napkin holder through the double napkins, but it seemed a little bulky, just too much cloth. So I can change my mind, right? Therefore, I took the red napkin, folded it the long way, and rolled it and slipped the napkin into the ring. What a difference a red napkin makes. Now there's a song about what a difference a day makes too. Now you want to enhance the aesthetic of your tablescape with beautiful flatware. Decisions as to put black, gold, or silver on the table. Well, the silver was the winner to augment the other silver touches on the table. The design featured a weighty, versatile, and intricate rope-like handles for a timeless look. I love the texture that it gives to the tablescape. The coasters were given to me as a gift and are stunning. They are crystal mirrored diamond-filled glass coasters with a zigzag pattern. They are simply beautiful and are placed above the knife and spoon to grace the glassware that will be on top. The gorgeous red colored and clear stemware glass is just what the table needed to give it some extra glam. But then I have extra sparkle that comes from the chandelier, as icicles and snowflakes are dangling to give the table that extra sparkle it needs to make the evening fantastic. Now, you can't have a Valentine's Day without roses because they symbolize love and romance and or friendship and are the perfect Valentine's Day flower. I used 3 candlesticks of 3 different sizes and put them in the middle of the table. And these are silver candlesticks also, but they are a little bronze, but that's okay. I put a red rose in the center of each candlestick. How special! In addition, I placed tea light holders on either side of the table and put battery lights. But you can put real candles inside also. And just by chance, the tea light holders were silver too. This silver and glass. One had a polka dot pattern on it, and the other one kind of had a little floral, kind of almost looking zigzag on the candle holder. Then I had some greenery. You know, you always have to have some green on your table. And I intertwined that around the candlesticks for an impactful look. Finally, I scattered a few jewels and plastic lips around the table for a conversational piece. So, if you have liked what you have seen, help a girl out by subscribing. You can also like, share, save, and comment if you so choose. And remember, at the beginning, I talked about an affordability quote at the end. So here it goes. Kindness is a gift that everyone can afford to give. And so, you know, a lot of you may think that you don't have the things in your home to make your table beautiful. But if you would just look around, you can take something from one room and then another room and another room. Look in your cabinet. You may find things that you really didn't know you had. So take them out and use them and make the day special. And remember, you're loved. So you take care.